YESHUA, YESHUA, you are the foundation underneath us. You are the foundation. Righteousness and justice. Righteousness and justice. Righteousness and justice are your foundation, Lord. Oh, when I see YESHUA bringing you foundation to this place, bringing His foundation. The foundation of YESHUA is going deeper. The time of the renewal of the foundation. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 7, 8, 9, and 12. The 12 of God. The 12 cornerstones.
Psalm 89:14. Righteousness and justice are the foundation of thy throne. Loving kindness and truth go before your face. Lord, in this historic place, we just ask you with all of our hearts, in the name of YESHUA HaMashiach, restore the foundations of this place, Lord. Make the bitter root sweet in Jesus' name, that justice and righteousness would be the foundations, and that you, the cornerstone, would be the cornerstone.